Everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals, OG in the house, coming to you live from Vietnam. This is our 9 a.m. update, guys. Woo! Hopefully you guys having a great day out there. Hopefully everything is looking fantastic, looking fine, and everything is just going great, guys. So, hey, what's going on? You can see that the crypto markets are crashing a little bit. Doge is going down. We're going to talk about why the crypto markets are going down, why Doge is going to go down, what kind of pattern that Doge is going to be forming, because I really believe that there's a bullish pattern being formed right now. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about what's going to happen to Bitcoin. Are we going up? Are we going down? Is this the end? Is it over? Are we ready to just walk away and sell? Guys, you need to watch this video from start to finish right now. I'm telling you, this is going to be a barn burner, and you need to watch it from start to finish, guys. So before we do that, I just want to give a big shout out to all of my subscribers, all of my members, and all the people that have been supporting the channel with super chats and buying merch and stuff. Thank you very much, guys. If you guys buy merch, please send a photo of you guys wearing the t-shirt. If you have a mug, please send a photo of you holding the mug. Send it to our email. You can check out where our email is in the about section here. And yeah, send me an email, guys. I'd really appreciate it. Our email is right here. Hopefully you guys see it. And then any of those pictures that you send to us, whether you're wearing your t-shirts or holding your mugs, we'll get it on our videos, and we'll put it up here in the in the corner, so you guys can see yourselves on our vid. So guys, remember, none of this is financial advice. This is just me expressing my opinions. And remember, watch out for nasty scammers. Remember, the level of ransomware exploits and threats on exchanges has increased, so don't forget to turn on your two-factor authentication. All right, guys, so we're seeing that the broader markets are down right now. Not only crypto, but you can also see that right now most of the S&P is down, NASDAQ is down, Dow is down, Russell US dollar index, and the Bitcoin index. Everything is down. So, you know, it's not only crypto, but also the broader markets are. The stonks are down. The stonks are down. So, you know, and a lot of the reason why we have the stonks down is because they're reacting to the inflationary data that just came out in the CPI data. And that's pretty normal. But remember, you know, when the inflation goes up in the U.S. or the CPI goes up in the U.S., this is actually good for cryptos. You know, the long-term downward trend on the stonks are going to be much longer than crypto, because people are going to realize that as a hedge against inflation, they need to move over to crypto, guys. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart. Let me get my face out of the way of my face. So you can see, and this is really important, you can see that we've had nothing but consolidation, and this has been going on since around May 19th. We've just had this range-bound consolidation, and it just keeps going on and on. It's pretty boring. A lot of people are really desperate. So why is this happening? Why are we having this consolidation? And remember, when we have consolidation in Bitcoin, remember the altcoins will because the altcoins. And remember, altcoin is any coin that's not Bitcoin. The altcoins, their market caps are much lower than Bitcoin, so they tend to move in either a higher upward direction or a lower downward direction in relation to Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin makes a huge move up, altcoins will often make a measured move plus alpha. Okay, you understand? So if for example, if Bitcoin moves 10%, it's not uncommon for altcoins to move 15 or 20%. So you can see that the peaks and valleys that altcoins perform in relation to Bitcoin are often higher. So why are we seeing all of this consolidation? Well, you know, we had the Bitcoin miners kicked out of China, and when they were kicked out of China, this put a lot of selling pressure on Bitcoin, because a lot of miners, they had to, you know, sell their Bitcoins because they needed fiat currency to relocate. So that's one of the factors. We also had China. The reason China kicked them out, as you know, is because China has their own CBDC, the digital yuan. So they don't want anybody competing with it. I don't know what they're thinking, because Bitcoin is Bitcoin. If you mine in China or you mine on the moon, the Bitcoin is still there. So whatever. And then we had all the crypto scares and all the negative Nancy narratives that were going on. So that's why we're seeing this huge consolidation from when we had this huge dip from our all-time highs, which were around here. And so this consolidation is going on. So this is continuing and continuing, and I believe, and a lot of the analysts, a lot of the traders believe that we're going to see the bottom. We have seen the bottom, and that we're going to move out of this range in August. Absolutely, we're going to see this. We're moving out of this range in August. So let's take a look at Doge right now. Let's take a look at Doge, and Doge has continued this deep trend down since we had that the May flash crash. Doge has done nothing but go down, 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 down. But something interesting is happening here. You can see this peak here, and this peak is around here, and that's around about almost at our 16.6 support level. Remember, we have a major support level at 16.6, guys. You can see here at 16.6 we have major support level. So if we look at here, this is also representing 16.6 down here, guys. So this is around about 16.6 here, and we also have 16.6 here in this chart here. What this pattern is forming is something that's called a double bottom. It's easier to see here. A double bottom, you have a downtrend, you have a reversal, then you have a downtrend. And when you have a double bottom, this often indicates that we're going to have a bullish uptrend reversal very soon. So I believe that we are going to see this downtrend all the way to our support level, go down to 16.6, and then we're going to bounce off it. And we can see that Dogecoin has done that a number of times. So we're seeing a double bottom forming, and then we're going to take off, and then that should hopefully take us back up again to our next target up to around 24 cents. So we have a 24-cent resistance level around about here, and I believe we're forming a double bottom here. Here's the first bottom, the second bottom. We're still on our way down to about 16.6, and then once we hit 16.6, I think that we'll bounce up, and we'll probably hit the double bottom 16.6 range probably by, I think, around the end of the month. We should hit this double bottom, and then in August we should take off again. So that's where I see Dogecoin. Is it over? No. We've hit bottom. Bitcoin has hit bottom. We have a bullish super cycle that's coming in, and not only am I saying that, there's a lot of news stories to support that. You can see here. Let me move my face out of the way. Let me close all these boxes. So you can see the summer slump, why Bitcoin and Ethereum are stuck in a rut. So crypto top dogs have yet to recover from May's market crash. Here are all the reasons why BTC and Ethereum are stuck in a rut. So the reason why they're stuck in a rut is very simple. Bitcoin and Ethereum have been trending downward since May. We all know that. It's more than just FUD. It's keeping the top coins in a rut. So this is very normal. So, recently in April, Bitcoin hit all-time highs, guys, of 63,000. We all know that. And then over the course of a few days, mid-May, the crypto markets collapsed. We all experienced that. I was there for that. I was in Saigon at the time with my family, having a bit of a weekend vacay, and the cryptos crashed, and my weekend was not so good, right? I had to keep the smiley face in front of the wife, but I was definitely not a happy camper because I was losing Lambos like in milliseconds, so it was not good. And then of course I ended up sleeping on the couch for about a week because my wife said, why you didn't know that it was going to crash, why you didn't sell everything? Well, she's not a hodler, she doesn't understand. So why are we seeing all of this crashing? Is because we had the environmental issues. Mining usage led to China intensifying the crackdown. So we had the China crackdown. We had the miners kicked out, as I told you about. So this is all what I've been talking about. We had the FUD. We had the miners. We had the Elon thing, and all of that led to a lot of downward pressure, right, guys? So that's the reason why we're stuck in a rut. So are we going to break out of it? Bitcoin's holding pattern might be about to end, analyst predicts. So we're really seeing that Bitcoin's struggling to shake off the recent bearish turn. At the time of writing, it's fallen over 5% in the past 7 days, and we're ranging about 32. Now we're down to about 31.2. So she really believes that the markets are now overdue for a dramatic move, and this is more likely to be a bullish territory and house because we have strong support around 30,000, guys. So I don't believe that Bitcoin is going down below 30,000. We've had a lot of consolidation, and I really believe that our next target would be 35,000, followed by a next resistance level of 44,000. So I'm very optimistic that we are definitely going to break out. We've definitely hit bottom, guys. Absolutely, we've hit bottom. You guys should just stop panicking, stop wetting the bed. There's a lot of good things coming. There's a lot of catalysts coming. And remember, if we look at the fear and greed index right now, fear and greed index, you can see right now that the crypto fear index, there's extreme fear. And remember, I always keep telling you, do the opposite of what the market is telling you to do. So right now, retail investors are suffering from extreme fear. They're panicking. They think this is the end. What you should be doing now is you should be accumulating. You should be buying the dips. You should be hodling. Once I finish this video, I'm transferring about 10K from my bank, and I'm buying some more Bitcoin, and I'm buying some more Dogecoin. You know, every 3 or 4 days I transfer 10K and I buy more Bitcoin and more Dogecoin. That's what I'm doing, because we are definitely going up in August. You guys just need to believe that. The OG is saying we're going up in August, so you guys just need not to panic. We're definitely going up. So definitely the fear and greed index is there, extreme fear. This indicates that, you know, we're at bottom, guys. We're at a bottom, and things are going to be looking up. So don't panic. Yes, the markets are crashing. Yes, they're going down, but we're just range bound. We're range bound. It's not a technical crash like we had in May. It's just range boundness, guys. So cheer up, pump up, pump up, pump up, pump it up, pump it up. So guys, let's look at the markets right now, and let's see where we're faring. So right now the market cap, as you can see, is 1.32 trillion, and we're down 3.3%. We're seeing a lot of red. Bitcoin is down 3.14%, and that's at 31,816, guys. Ethereum is also down 4.59%, and that's way below my $2,000 support level, and that's at 1,927, guys. And BNB is at 315, and that's up. So they're still up. That's amazing. ADA is down as well. They're down right now 2.83%, and that's $1.23. Doge is at 18.2, and that's down almost 8%. So let's just take a quick dive into Doge, see where we're going. So you guys, you can see here, we've got our 20-day, let me zoom that up for you guys, zoomy. So we have our 20-day moving average right here, guys, and that's now set around about 19.3. It's almost at the same level as our 19.3 support level. And right now, Doge is like 18.4 to 18.5 range. And I believe definitely we're going to be retesting our 16.6 very soon. So if I was you, I'd be placing some buy limit orders. Remember, this is not financial advice. Around about 17, 16, and just place some orders, guys. So once again, I'll repeat that. I'll be placing an order around about 17. 16 and 16.6, and then one at 16 just in case we collapse and break down below that, because I believe definitely we're forming this double bottom, which is a really bearish signal, and we should be bouncing up from that probably sometime in the end of July. So I expect us to be going down to 16.6. I'm not going to tell you that everything is great when it's not, because you know I'm not going to lie to you. So we could be expecting 16.6 coming in pretty soon. I see there's more downside than upside right now, but in the long term, I really see that the Bitcoin is definitely in a consolidation phase, and by the end of August, we should be bouncing back. Retesting 35 will be our first level, followed by 44,000, which is the next resistance level. Once we blow past 44,000, then the next incoming we could be seeing around about 53,000, and we should be okay. I'm still pretty confident we're going to see $100,000 Bitcoin by the end of the year. Definitely, we're definitely going to be seeing $1 Dogecoin by the end of the year. I believe we're going to be seeing $10,000 Ethereum coming in by the end of the year. So we're just about to start the next leg up of our super cycle, and you guys just don't panic, guys. All right. So I think it's time to cheer you guys up, and here we go. Doge spreading love, Doge spreading love. So guys, spread a little love. Hashtag Doge Spreading Love. You guys want it. I know you guys need it. So cheer up, guys. Cheer up, cheer up, cheer up. And guys, don't forget to go to my Twitter page. Follow me on Twitter right now. Follow me. Do it right now. Guys, we got 892 people following. We need to get that up to 1,000. Support the OG. Go and hit that Twitter. Also, the good thing about Twitter is I've got updates on there and stuff. And also, too, if you're not getting notifications from YouTube, you can definitely go and hit your notification bell on Twitter, and you'll get notified too. Because some people are not getting their notifications. So, guys, once again, be blessed. I love you guys to death. Love you guys to death. Guys, smash the likes. Some of you are suffering from smash the likes avoidance syndrome. Smash the like right now. I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe right now. I don't know what you're waiting for. Subscribe. Gingerly tap that subscription button. You know you want it. I know you want it because I want you to have it. Because if you don't do it, I'm going to jump out of your TV, jump out of your mobile phone, and I'm going to get you to subscribe. So guys, once again, check out my NFT collection. I've got NFTs. I've got merch. Check out my merch. Definitely check out the merch. Checky. Buy the channel a coffee. Support charity. And guys, I'll see you in the next one. We'll have a beautiful update. Hopefully by noontime, the markets will have corrected and will start going up at noontime here in Asia, Bangkok time. So stay tuned. Buckle up. Mark your calendars for the 12 noon Bangkok time. So this is the OG in the house, spreading the good vibe. Guys, be positive. It's not the end of the world. Okay, guys? I love you guys to death. Woohoo!